Guys, so I just got a fidget set and I already opened it, so I'm going to be showing you what I got. First, I got this puppet. Then, this dimple. And I got this pink and blue infinity cube. Then 3 little mochis. Here's the first one. So cute. Second one. Third. Then I got 2 marble meshes. Then 4 acupressure rings. I can't find the other 2. Here's that one. Well, I can't find the one right now. Oh, here it is. Then I got this fidget pad. So there's a joystick, buttons, 2 loud ones and 2 silent ones. And this side over here. And by it we have this textured spot. And here we have this. And then we have this right here. And the spinny thingy. And this fidget. And this clicky thingy. I don't know what it's called, honestly. I got 4 pop tubes. 2 green ones. 1 red one. And an orange one. So, yeah. You can also use these as like a little wacky tracksuit. Doesn't really work as good. But I already did the orange one. Now I have to put back together the green one. Now the other green one. Here, I don't want you guys to see this, so I'll be back when I have put both of them back together. Okay, so I'm done. And then I got this green and orange wacky track. In my next video, which is going to be after this one, I will be trying to make a snapper out of this. So, yeah. And then I also got this blue and orange one. And 2 pea poppers. And this one's kind of hard. Oh my gosh, I did one upside down. Oh, the faces are so cute. 3 monkey noodles. They make a pleasant sound. Listen. This bike chain, blue bike chain. And lastly, a DNA ball. So I'm going to be going back and rating all of them. Okay. So I rate this infinity cube a 8 out of 10. Because it could be better if it was easier to use. I rate this dimple a 10 out of 10 because it's just so fun to play with. And it isn't that loud, so you can take it on the go while your friends are sleeping or family. I rate this DNA ball a 7 out of 10 because it could be better. It's kind of fun to look. Anyways, I rate this puppet a 10 out of 10. Just so fun. These pop tubes honestly like 6 out of 10 because they're like kind of hard to put back together. after you pop. So, anyways, these monkey noodles a 10 out of 10 because look, they make a really pleasant sound. It's really cool, and they can also stretch. I rate these wacky tracks a 10 out of 10 because they're super fun, and you can make like shapes with them, like not all shapes, but most shapes you can make. These pea poppers, honestly like a 3 out of 10 because the side ones are like really hard to like. There we go. Sorry, the side one now. There we go. So this bike chain is super soothing. I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it can calm you down a lot. These marble meshes, I'll be cutting one in my next video when yes. These acupressure rings, honestly like 1 out of 10 because they're cool textured, but they also like hurt a little bit. No, I changed my mind. It's actually a 5 out of 10. And then this fidget pad, a 10 out of 10. Are you kidding me? This is so fun. These cute little mochis of 5. They're just so cute. Oh gosh. Okay, and I have a homemade button. Listen. So yeah. Bye.